Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And Capricorn, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have about your circumstances, so you can watch that reading, Capricorn. And Capricorn, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's 5 of Cups, Ace of Wands in reverse, and 7 of Wands. So in your circumstances today, you are trying to achieve something, you are working hard, and it may be in your relationship, you are trying your best, going out of the way, you want a balanced situation, you want harmony in this relationship, and you're wishing good things for this love. And maybe though you have this person with you, you may be in a relationship, but there are a lot of things you want to change or you want to resolve. And your circumstance demands your attention, and you need to go out of the way, trying to be in your best to have a very beautiful relationship with this person. And Capricorn, it may be because you may feel really anxious because you have faced some difficulties in your past, something that has made you think of your circumstance in such a way, something that is worrying you, stressing you, making you very anxious, because whatever happened in your life is something you cannot forget, and you are not over those past memories. A lot of pain and sadness, some regrets you have in your circumstance, something you wish to change, you want to change, but you are unable to change. So that is the reason for a lot of regrets. You are still thinking about what has happened, and you don't want to repeat that again today. And maybe in your circumstance, your past is clouding your vision today. So you lack clarity in your situation now. You don't know how things will go or what will unfold in your life. So you are worried. But Capricorn, you need to understand that your intentions are something that is going to decide your circumstance. So if you feel that you love this person and you have honest intentions, and you feel that your love and your intentions are reciprocated, no matter what troubles you face in this connection, it is going to withstand any difficulty, and you are going to have that meaningful positive relationship, Capricorn. So you have some kind of an advantage here today, maybe your positive intentions, your dedication in this relationship, and that true love and concern you have on this person will make things right in your connection for you. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Queen of Wands, just like I said. So this person loves you and they want to be with you and they want you. So they love you deeply and they wish good things for you, and things are going in the right way for you. So whatever past memories or hurt you have, that should not affect the way things are today, Capricorn. So you must see your present circumstance, that is going to help you. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Cups. So some kind of an opportunity or an offer is coming for you. It may be a new beginning, something that is going to use your skills and talents. And maybe it may be something you are really passionate about. Some good opportunities are coming today. You must be prepared for this, Capricorn. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, Orange Calcite. So this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy for your relationship is sometimes it is easy for us to tell no, that you cannot do something instead of trying to do something. And you have infinite possibilities. And that will become evident to you if you are able to draw that inspiration from within yourself. Feeling inspired that you can do anything, that you can do anything you want. So this is the time for you to have that creativity inspiring you in many ways. So with this person you love, you may try to have a healthier relationship, a more satisfying relationship if you are more creative. And your creativity will reshape your connection, and partnerships evolve when you are creative and when you are working with that inspiration in your heart. And this creativity will deepen the intimacy you have with each other and the trust you have with each other. And you need to be more playful and creative in your relationship if you want a very positive, beautiful connection, and if you want to build a strong foundation in your situation, in your relationship. And this card here is something that helps us to overwhelm. Maybe we may have a shyness, or we may have some kind of we are trying to stay away, but this crystal helps us to overcome our shyness and depression if we have. So meditating with this crystal is good for us. It just brings out that playfulness, friendly attitude, and that openness in our relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, this card, we will see what it is. The Fates. So sometimes in our relationship, guys, people are who they are and we cannot change them. And the challenge is to accept them as they are without trying to make them otherwise to suit you. So this is not the time for you to mold people according to your view, or how you should be or how they should be, so that you can remain in that relationship without any discomfort. And maybe whatever happening today, happening between you both, is the perfect thing, is something perfect from the perspective of the spirit. It means that it is happening for a reason. So it is time for you to accept what you cannot change in this connection. And maybe you need to honor yourself, honor this person, and maybe sometimes it may even involve moving on with your life. So you must be ready to love unconditionally. And each of us are on our own life path, and we cannot direct that of another person. And you must be aware that this relationship is indeed fated. Some kind of destiny is the reason for this relationship in our life. And you are meant to evolve into a better person of yourself as a result of this situation. So you must try to surrender yourself, surrender to whatever you are seeing today in your situation. And if you have that acceptance in your heart, you will see that your circumstances are going to change and you are going to be so happy, and you will have that peace of mind and serenity. And maybe whatever is preordained for you in your situation, in your connection, that is what is happening, that is what will come for you. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.